friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be talking about the tips and tricks of the POCO X8 device of how to use the video toolbox option. So here is a video toolbox option is present in the special features, and in this video, I'll be trying to demonstrate what are the different scenarios and how to use this option. So this was a question asked by recently users. I did another video as well, but I did not explain most of the features. But in this video, I'll try to cover A to Z features and tips and tricks in the video toolbox option. So without wasting any time, let's get started with this kind of option, friends. And first main advantage of video toolbox is there's an option of adding all the applications from your smartphone. That's another good thing. So you can add all the list of applications where you want to use this kind of option. So first is that let me try to demonstrate you opening the Wikipedia. So it is a Wikipedia, friends, and so you might be wondering why I would use the video toolbox in the Wikipedia application. Let me give you one scenario. So not only the Wikipedia, any other ebook reader application you can use. So by using this video toolbox option, you will get this kind of option called style option. So whenever you select the style, you will get the black and white mode as well. So whenever you use the black and white mode, so you will complete the Wikipedia will be in terms of the black and white. So for example, if you're reading any ebook readers or browsing or anytime, if you don't want to strain your eyes at night time, so definitely you can try this kind of black and white mode. When you go back to the normal page, everything will be in the color, everything will be back to normal without any change. That's the first thing. And next is that having in the YouTube application, let me try to show you. So in the YouTube application, you do have this kind of option of having cinematic mode, as you can see here. So YouTube or MX Player or any other application like Netflix, Amazon Prime, so mostly I would prefer to use this cinematic mode during that times, so which is very good and useful thing as well. So let me try to show you. As you can see here, friends, so these are the 5 different modes you do get, one with a normal and 4 of them are different options. So usually try using the cinematic mode to get the very good colors. So let me try to show you even the MX Player video. So it is a video which I am currently playing, and when you swipe to the left, you do get this kind of option of watching the black and white mode or in the color mode. So that's a good advantage here if you're having this kind of options. So that's why you need this kind of video toolbox option, friends, in this POCO X8 device to use more and more features. So not only that, let me try to show you one more thing. So is a Wikipedia application, and let me try to swipe again. So on the top, you do get this kind of option of recording, screenshot, cast, and last option is play video when the screen is in off mode. This can be very useful in the YouTube applications. So right now you can see here, friends, I am playing the YouTube video right now, and if you record the video, so the video will be recorded. That's the first option of using that one. And next is that screenshot, you can take the screenshot, and third is the casting, and fourth option is the play sound when the screen is in off. So let me try to increase the volume and try to select this option. Turbo option. So this is the most interesting feature which is present in the POCO X3 smartphone, and this was the question even I have seen in so many comments asking me. So as you can see here, friends, in this way you can actually listen the YouTube video songs, or if you just want to listen to the music. So this is the best way to listen to the screen of music as well by using the YouTube or any other media application. That's a good advantage by using this kind of feature. So not only that, even when you're playing the PUBG game, so even when you're running continuously, the game will be completely on throughout the time. So that's another thing you need to know. So apart from that, there is another option which is called the sound. So in the sound, if you go to here, so you'll get the option of having the clarity and the volume as well. So even though you use the full volume, but as soon as you select the high volume here and the clarity more, so you can feel the difference in terms of the sound quality as well. So you will hear the more quality in terms of the sound, not the bass effects. So that's a good thing if you want so much of clarity and so much of volume. So in this way, you can actually improve the more volume out of the video as well. So that's another good thing, friends. And next is that you do have this kind of shortcut of opening the floating windows from these applications, so which is a very good advantage of having this shortcut of opening the pop-up windows here, as you can see here. So everything you can open just by swiping left side, as you can see here, friends. So these are the few of the important tips and tricks which are present in the POCO X3 device. So for more similar kind of tips and tricks, make sure to follow me regularly. And these are the only few tips and tricks which are you must try in the POCO X3 if you are having. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.